Type in Google or Chrome FAQ Accordion built with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Click on propakistanatools.com. Get the 19+ FAQ Accordion source code free. Learn the basics of implementing FAQs on websites. Discover the key benefits of adding FAQs to your website. Style your FAQ section with modern light tones or bold dark colors like sky blue, beige. Number 1. Modern rounded accordion with soft answer border. FAQ image. Click the copy button, copy the FAQ source code and use it on your website. Looking for a unique FAQ design? Scroll down and pick the one that best suits your web page. Browse 19+ eye-catching FAQ designs. View the preview images, then copy and use the code on your site. When you like a FAQ interface but don't like its text color and background color, no problem. Just scroll up the page and choose the best background and text color from the post. Then go to your FAQ, go to the FAQ style which is called CSS, and in that, change the background and text color of the FAQ. Also, design the suggested FAQ color similar to your website's theme color. If the FAQ width is too long or too short or not matching accurately with your page width, just go to the FAQ style and look for .fact container in CSS and give the max width to the FAQ. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more free source codes.